Hi everyone, this is Dr. Vanishri from Skin Arena Pune. So we are going to talk about generalized hair fall today, which is also called as telogen effluvium in medical terms, which I know you guys are not interested to know about, but you can definitely search about it, also Google about it, because I know you like doing it. So we are going to talk about generalized hair fall. Generalized hair fall is something that happens in a short span of time, like in 2-3 months you start observing you're losing a lot of hair. You see every time you move your hand over your hair, you get 3 to 4 hair strands in the hand. So that is the time you need to worry about it. So hair fall could be, now this kind of hair fall could be due to multiple reasons. It could be stress related. Any kind of mental or physical stress to you are facing could cause hair fall. So when I talk about mental stress, I mean it could be post some trauma in the family. It could be post some accident, post if you lost someone in the family, or it could be post some shock in the family. Any kind of mental stress that you are facing could cause hair fall. It could be some work related major stress, not something like today I have, tomorrow I have an exam, so that will start causing hair fall. No, that is, or tomorrow I have a test to that is not going to cause, that is not a major stress. Something very big has happened and you are under major mental stress since a very long time, that could cause hair fall. Then any kind of physical stress means if you have recently fallen ill in sense, some major illness like malaria, dengue, examples I'm giving, or some kind of accident that you faced, or anything major, you had a hospital stay because of that, and then you are recovering from that illness. That is the time when you start having hair fall, when you are in the recovery phase. So because the body starts reacting that time, because the body has faced a major physical stress. So when the body is healing from it or recovering from it, this is the sign, these are the signs that the body is recovering. You start having hair fall or some skin issues. So we are talking about hair fall, I'll just stick to that. So that is a stress, basically physical mental stress. Other reasons could be some kind of medications can cause hair fall, some kind of vitamin deficiencies can cause hair fall. So if you're not eating properly, or you have just started on some diet which doesn't have all the nutrients in it, some people go on a crash diet course for weight loss and all, then they end up having hair fall due to some deficiencies in vitamins. Then someone who has just like during their pregnancy can cause they can have hair fall. So that is due to some hormone changes in the body. Someone who has thyroid since long, or it is the thyroid, someone has just started with thyroid problem, and they are not on medications but they have a major thyroid issue, function issue, then that can cause hair fall, basically hormone related. Then there could be other reasons like postmenopausal woman can have hair fall, so age related. Any kind of medical illnesses you are having since very long, that can cause hair fall. Now let me talk about the most common issues. Here when I get patients for hair fall, out of 10, at least 9 would be having some kind of vitamin deficiencies. So what are the vitamins that can cause hair fall? Most common are vitamin D3, B12, iron and thyroid. These 4 are the most common causes of hair fall. When people come here and I ask them to go for this blood test, there will be at least one of these components will be less, or will not be normal. So these are the 4 main common causes, but then there could be other reasons also. We need to take a complete good history before starting treatment for hair fall. We need to know the root cause. Now many times people ask me when they come for generalized hair fall, they say I just moved into this city or that city, so the could be the weather and the water that has triggered my hair fall. Because of the water I am having major hair fall, I think this is the reason. So water can cause damage of hair, it can cause some kind of hair fall or damage to the hair. The hair can break because it's brittle or dry. but it's not going to be your root cause of hair fall. This kind of hair fall, which I meant, more than 50 to 80 hairs falling per day, more than that, then you need to get it checked. So that would be due to some vitamin deficiency. It's not going to be water change, climatic changes. These things will not cause so much of hair fall. Mild hair fall here and there you might experience. You might experience breakage of hair, splittings. All these things can happen due to water change, climatic changes, but not anything external cannot cause you so much of hair fall. External factors, environmental factors will not cause major hair fall for you like that. So you need to get checked. You need to meet a dermatologist if you are losing more than 50 to 80 hairs in a day, and every time you move your hand over your hair and you get 3-4 hair strands in your hand, or if you see 10 to 15 hairs on your pillow, entire strands, then you need to get it treated. It's an emergency condition. You need to, emergency means you need to get treated. It's not going to be, you cannot control it on your own. You will have to meet a dermatologist for this thing. So these are the common causes of generalized hair fall. Then treatment options are based on what is the root cause. It could be, if it is vitamin deficiency, we'll have to start you on supplements. Then there will be a basic lotion and hair tablet that you need to start on. Then if it is other causes, like I said, stress related or anything, or medical, some medications are causing it, then we'll have to see for alternatives for you after meeting your concerned doctor who has given you those medications. You will have to change the medications or something. There has to be some kind of lifestyle modifications also based on the root cause of the treatment. Then other treatments which can enhance, which will improve your hair fall and stop the hair fall faster. Supplements, obviously the root cause, based on the root cause. Then mesotherapy is there, where we inject some nutrient solutions in your hair roots directly, and you will have to do a couple of sessions on that so that your hair fall stops faster. There is hair growth, improved hair growth, and better growth, better volume over the period. So this is about the generalized hair fall. Then about the hormonal type of hair fall, I will be talking in the next video, because that's a very big topic to be discussed. So I hope you like this video. Any doubts, of course you can ask me again. I'll talk about it. Thank you.